Hello from Bangalore airport. So you've read the title, so you already know where we are going. We are boarding our flight to Delhi. We have a 6 hours layover there before we board the flight to Srinagar. So off we go to Delhi. We finally landed at 3 a.m. There were a lot of changes, lot of terminal changes, and flight got delayed twice. So the 6-hour layover that we were supposed to have in Delhi and have a good night's sleep has now turned to a 2-hour morning delay. That's another thing. So we got boarded off on TT1 in Delhi. So if you have the boarding pass, which is your connecting flight, you can just take one of the shuttle passes, which is free of cost. Of course, you just have to show your boarding ticket and you'll get the ticket in any of the airport counters itself. And that wait and taking the ticket, waiting for the bus and the ride itself took us from T1 to T3 about 45 minutes. Oh my goodness, I'm about to choke a little bit. I almost did when the flight landed. We are in Srinagar. I can't believe this Kashmir trip is happening. It is so beautiful. I am so overwhelmed right now. Right, so the flight from Delhi was on time and we landed at 8 a.m. The thing about getting in right now, this is in December 2021, is that you have to have your vaccination certificate both, and you will have to confirm that you have not gone international in the last 15 days. If you have, then you'll have to take an RT-PCR test right in the airport, the results of which you'll get in 24 hours and you will have to quarantine at that time. So we didn't have to do that, so we got out quickly. We took a taxi, paid $900 from the airport to the city center of Dal Lake, and now we have rented a boat and we are going to check a couple of houseboats to see if that is something that we'll be interested in and we want to stay. So let's see. First Shikara ride of the trip. Welcome to Dal Lake. It's -2 degrees Celsius and we have come from 21 degrees Celsius. It's really cold. We have changed into 3 layers and the sun is out apparently after a month, so that's, I think, a nice thing for us. And this is the view we are having right now as we speak. So we have decided, impromptu I should add, to stay in the lake for 2 days, and that behind me is our houseboat called the Blue Sky. Very nice budget stay we found. Let me give you details of that. So at the airport, go to the prepaid taxi stand directly and tell them to take you to the lake. It will cost you around $900 as of December 2021. And there are a lot of gates in the lake, right? So they will drop you at one of those gates. And at each of the gates, you'll find a bunch of shikaras. You'll find oarsmen. You can tell them your requirements. You can tell them how much budget per day you're willing to spend, if you want food, no heater, etc. And based on that, they will take you around in the shikara for 2, 3, 4 houseboats. You can take a look at them, decide if you want to stay, and you can pay them $100. So that's the deal. And we decided to stay here. Let me show you a tour. As of now, we have taken this houseboat for 2 days, $3,000 for the room, and then 2,000 rupees for both of us food, which is morning and night, no lunch. These are the rooms. There's nice dining, sit out, There's also heater, tandoor in the common area, tandoor in the room. That's the room. Don't mind how dirty it is. Nice dressing area and bathroom. It's a pretty neat, decent deal. This has been our view for today. We've just been sitting on the porch, enjoying the warm sun, having some tea, and also a lot of sellers with flowers and jewelry and household item, gift items, handmade handicrafts. A lot of people who'll come directly to the houseboat and sell you stuff, and if you like any of it, you can buy. This is the view we've been enjoying the whole day. It's been a lazy day.
चाबी ले लिया साथ में?
हाँ,
चाबी ले ली मैंने।
ले लिया।
Okay?
Okay. Bye.
Okay. Thank you.
Like I mentioned, lazy day, been on the boat quite a bit. So we're just gonna go and have some lunch and also walk around the market. I want to buy some stuff. So another thing, if you decide to stay in the houseboat and any commute you'll have to do, it has to be using the shikara. So you'll have to call them, you have to keep one of their numbers, you'll have to call them, they'll have to come and pick you up. So one trip will cost you about $100 one way. It's a little expensive, so a couple of days is fine, but after that I think other accommodations are better.
अरे रिक्शा मैडम
नहीं नहीं We have come to the end of day one. Take it slow on the first day. I would suggest that you take a stroll around Dal Lake if you want. It's a very peaceful walk if you ignore the traffic of the road on your right side. There are a lot of cafes and restaurants at gate number 16, and there's also a floating restaurant as you see right there. So you can take a shikara ride just till there, which is I think 75 rupees, and then you can spend some time there, take a boat, stroll around, walk around, just relax, because you would have traveled from a very low altitude to a very high altitude, so take it easy. Good morning. It's 6:45 a.m. Day 2 in the lake, and we are off to the vegetable market. It's a very cold morning, but somehow it feels warmer than inside the houseboat. So there are two different types of shikara rides you can take. One is early morning, which is what we're doing now, and we'll be going to the vegetable market. For this you'll have to start at about 6:45 in the morning. You'll have to book your ride the previous day, and he will come and pick you up from the houseboat you're staying. And the second ride that you can take is from 1 hour to 3 hours. You can take the complete Dal Lake ride, and there are so many points like Tulip Garden, Vegetable Garden, and a lot of other places that they'll show you around. Minimum you can take for an hour, and the government rate for that is $600. And every hour you can pay based on your discussion with the oarsmen, and also how many people are there, etc. So that's something we'll be doing probably during sunset. And the famous vegetable market in Dal Lake. So the deal here is some of them are local farmers from whom the vendors who will now take this all to the mandi come early morning, buy vegetables from here and then go to the market. Most people here are farmers. Beyond these houseboats, you will find their vegetable gardens, farming, they do all of that. Breakfast is here. What do we have today? We have toast, upma, chai, veg, jam, and a nice view. So we had a good breakfast, chai, chilled for a bit. Now we are off to our second ride of the day, which is what I mentioned in the morning. Total around 5 to 6 points we're going to see, spend around I guess 2.5 to 3 hours, and it'll end at sunset hopefully. So let's go. So that brings us to the end of our day 2 in Dal Lake. We have been strolling around for 3 hours now. Sun has set, it's hazy, so there's hopes of snow. Oh my god. So a little bit about Dal Lake. There are about 1,000 houseboats here or more that you can choose from, and I've already mentioned how, and it's an experience for sure. It's a beautiful place, so I hope you enjoy it. I hope you've got enough information from this video. And tomorrow we're going to Gulmarg. Super excited about that. And we are not taking a private taxi. We are going to be going in local taxi on our own. Scary because not many people do it here. So see you tomorrow.